Hello everyone and welcome back. After a week at NEC, went there on Tuesday and Sunday.
Yeah.
Managed to have a good nosy around, and we've come back to Yorkshire Caravans today because we ordered an awning on Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday, yeah.
Sunday, yeah, so we put order in and we're going to pay for it today. We're going to show you what we've got, what we've ordered. And yeah, it's a nice day, we're chilled out on the bench.
Beautiful.
It's nice, yeah.
Yeah, I think, dare I say it, spring's finally.
Nicest day, yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll go inside, see our lads, and tell you what we've ordered. Right, so we have ordered a Isabella Commodore. What's it called? Etna?
Etna.
What other ones do they do?
Penta.
Different Penta, yeah. But the Commodore, the Penta and the
colours
Etna,
all together.
they're the colour names, aren't they?
Yeah, there's like
It's
a bluey coloured one, a light grey, and then a dark grey.
Yeah, but the names, I'm saying though, the names are just the colours, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's nothing different on the awning. So what we'll do is we'll go in and see it, lads, see if we're all in. We'll get it paid. I'm sure we ordered some other bits, didn't you? Oh, carpet. We've got a carpet because we don't do a carpet.
We've got a carpet, we've
Ground
got a ground sheet, we've got veranda poles.
Veranda poles. Got the light. You wanted the light, didn't you?
Yeah.
What else? I think that's it, isn't it?
I know we need some more solar lights and we need a couple more chairs.
Should we have a look? Come on, let's have a look, see what they can do for us. Oh, and we need an annex.
We need an annex.
We need an annex.
And we've got a table to pick up as well. We ordered a table.
Oh, table, that's going in. Well, they're 750 quid, aren't they?
This is the annex. It's the big one we've got.
What annex?
Yeah, there's a tall one, isn't there, and there's a slanted one.
Well, I don't know. We haven't ordered it yet, though, have we? I think we're leaving that, aren't we?
Yeah, because we don't need that yet.
We don't need it. We'll get it next year, can't we? Right, come on, let's go see it, lads. See if they're in.
Right, so we've just come out of the office, and I'm just looking for Rich. I think he's gone in. Ah, there you are. I've been looking for you.
Here I am.
Here you are.
Here I am.
So you got it all sorted then?
Commodore Etna.
Yeah.
Which is the dark grey, was it, what you wanted? 3 metre.
Yeah, the grey one. So it came in blue, like a light grey.
3 colours, wasn't it? Light grey, dark grey and that bluey colour.
Yeah, so we've got the dark grey.
Dark grey. So we've got Etna. Light and clip, that's the clip. This is probably the last one. I think they're back in stock in May.
It is in the old country.
I think back in stock in May.
Yeah.
We've got ground sheet, but instead of going for Isabella one because they're not cornered about it.
Yeah, they haven't got edging on the ground sheets, have they?
So we've gone for Telta one, haven't we?
Yeah, because it's slightly cushioned, isn't it? So when we're on hard standing pictures and service pictures and they've got stones on, our Arthur's on ground all the time, isn't it? So just for a bit of cushioning on stones, we've gone for the Telta ground sheet, haven't we, rather than
Apex. We've gone Telta Apex one because it's 3 metre deep.
Yeah.
2 sets of solar lights, one more front here and another set for our windbreak. We've got a table, that table.
Yeah, so we've gone for the bigger Isabella lightweight table. Because the other one we've got, it's the heavy adjustable legged one.
Yeah, but it's good though, isn't it? I like it, it packs away underneath the caravan. Goes in storage underneath van.
Yeah.
Whereas that won't. That's just going to stay in the middle now, isn't it?
Yeah, it is good, but not for a dining table.
It is. Well, it's done, is it? I think I love it.
Well, we can still use it for something else. And I'm having that for the dining table.
Some storm straps.
And some storm straps,
And some storm straps. And that's it.
So what's the total come to?
I'm not telling you. Because we've got a good deal.
We have got a very good deal, yeah.
So,
we got show deal, didn't we? Because we ordered it Sunday when we were there.
Yeah. So Andy's looked after us here, and everybody else.
Yeah.
I just want to say thank you.
We ordered it through Yorkshire Caravans, didn't we?
And one more thing. Thank you for everybody we met at NEC last week on the Tuesday and Sunday. It was nice speaking to everybody.
Yeah, we met some really nice people, didn't we?
Yeah, so that was nice. That's about it. Just thought I'd give you a little update of what's happening. We've got two Thor chairs, 2 more chairs.
Oh yeah, we did. We've got to go and pick them up now.
Got their counter now, so
come on, we'll go and counter and we'll go and pick
we'll pick the Thor chairs up.
The 2 Thor chairs up because I won, because we've had these ones. We've got 2 of these.
Freya.
They're the Freya chairs, and you can see there they've got the bag attached, and they all fold up, and they're like can be like a beach chair that you carry on your shoulder.
10 kilo.
But they are really heavy, they're 10 kilo each. So we were putting them in our trolley. We've got a trolley just like this. Oh, we need to get 2 of these as well. It's in these. Yorkshire Caravans sell them. They're only £2.50 each. But, give me a chair. Put it here. Look. I'm going to get some of them from the Isabella Thor chairs.
No, we're
so
not.
You can put your drink, your phone on there.
No,
amazing.
don't need it.
Anyway, yeah, the Freya chair, there it is. So it folds up, but it reclines as well. So you just lift your armrests up and it lays right back. They're amazing for beach. And I'm sure they've just been reduced. They're £89. I'm sure they're £59 on
They're not 50.
website.
No.
£59 on website.
All right, then 59 quid. They are really good. They're better than Thor chairs.
But yeah, they're amazing. But they're so comfy. But they're heavy. They're 10 kilo each.
And the Thor chairs 5.
Thor chairs are only 5 kilo each. Yeah. So yeah, we've upgraded. We've got 2 Thor chairs, and Mitch said, you're not having 4 because there's only 2 of us. And I said, but I need 4 because 4 are going to fit round the table. So that's the story on that. So let's go and pay and pick them up.
What have you found now?
Well, we need a new bag for the other 2 chairs that we've got.
Another one.
Yeah.
Right. Are we done now? Take it all to till, go to chairs?
Yeah, I just want to have a look at the collapse.
Right. So that's it, we've paid up, all done. We just thought I'd give you a little update as to what we're doing. I think I said that'll be in March 16th, my birthday, March 16th.
Yeah, 40.
So I'll wait for the phone call.
Who's our sales lady?
We'll keep you updated anyway and let you know what's going on. But we have ordered. Get my teeth in. We have ordered a lot of stuff. So we'll wait till it comes in and we'll.
Yeah. We're just heading into caravan sales.
Just going to see now and see what's happening with caravan. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
See ya. Hey!